Come at me! And it doesn't matter. This is my lot. They don't get to park here.
Where's your name?
It doesn't matter. Let me show you the park.
Don't worry about it.
Where's your name though?
On my phone.
I want to see your name in the parking spot.
You don't need. This is for lot 35. Stupid.
Where is it though?
Right here. 35.
And where is it in the road? I don't see it.
Bitch, don't even fucking start with me.
Start the camera, bro. Start the
Come at me. You're parked in front of my fucking house. You're parked in front of my fucking house.
Okay.
So when you go eat over there, you fucking park over there. Or you park up at the fucking office. You don't park in front of my house.
This is not her car.
I don't care. You don't park in front of my house. If this isn't her car, why is she even here? She's not part of the problem. This car is the problem.
We're trying to move.
Yeah, we're trying to leave.
I'm causing you as much inconvenience as this is causing me. So, bring the cops.
They're coming. Yeah, don't worry. They're coming.
And I will not be moving them until they leave.
Okay. Bye.
Wow.
Oh no, he's gonna do it again. Babe, back up, back up, back up, back up.
Get away from the park. I'm still recording. Keep moving. That thing's gonna blow, man.
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah,
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?